Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you guys. Today is Sunday. We're about to kick off an awesome week this upcoming week. The holidays are here. Christmas is literally next week, and I can feel it in the air. Prices of crypto are just going to keep going up and up and up. So I hope you guys are ready for this video. Today, we are going to analyze 5 different cryptos and what is going to happen this week. Don't forget to join the newsletter right above you here, winwithryan.com. Here we go. All right, here we go. So we're going to get started. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. Also, don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All of you guys know, if you haven't seen the previous video that I just made on the opposite topic for our channel, which is surfing, we are giving away a free Wavestorm surfboard to anyone who subscribes to the channel. Once we reach 1,111 subscribers, we are going to give away a free surfboard. So we are surfing the crypto markets and we are surfing the real waves. So here we go. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. We're going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, and Binance Coin. So here we go. We're going to start it off. Large cap altcoins attempting to rally higher, but first bulls need to flip that $24,000 to support. We talked about that a little while ago on a last video. Check this guy out right here. Zen as can be, just meditating his Bitcoins, his Ethereum, his Litecoins, Binance Coin, and Cardano. Up, up, up. That guy's just trying to be the source right there, meditating his prices up as high as he can go. So let's talk about Bitcoin. When the price of an asset hits a new all-time high, momentum traders plow in as they sense an opportunity to ride the trade higher. The same was seen after Bitcoin BTC price broke above the $20,000 mark on December 16th, and by December 19th, the price had hit an intraday high at $24,197. A 21% increase in 4 days. Like crazy right there. So not very many stocks are going to give you that opportunity. So these sharp moves in Bitcoin price attract traders who use derivatives to try and amplify their gains or hedge their existing positions by buying downside protection. This resulted in the open interest on Bitcoin options hitting an all-time high at $6.5 billion earlier this week. So as you can see right here, currently we're down a little bit on the day. Some of these red coins, Binance coin is in there, all this coinage right here. So we're going to continue on. Now, crypto market data daily view. This is from Coin360. If you want to go check out their site, they do some, look at how cool this is, by the way, pretty rad. Now, while professional traders use complicated option strategies to establish their positions, the retail traders, you, me, and all the normal people that are not pumping hundreds of millions of dollars into the market is considered a retail trader. The retail traders generally buy naked options with the dream of earning a windfall on an options contract. This can be seen from the high open interest on the $36,000 stake price and the $52,000 call option. So that means people are currently buying basically bets that the price of Bitcoin will hit 36,000 and also hit 52,000. So they're really, really bullish and optimistic on Bitcoin for sure. For every option contract, there is a seller and a buyer, and generally professional traders prefer to sell the option contracts and pocket the premium when the expiry is worthless. Therefore, retail traders should make informed decisions before buying naked options contracts. The bullish momentum on Bitcoin has pulled select altcoin higher. Let's look at the charts of the top 5 cryptocurrencies that could offer trading opportunities in the coming week. So Bitcoin, as we've been discussing a little bit here, Bitcoin picked up momentum after the price broke over $20,000 overhead resistance, but the quick rise of the past few days has pushed the relative strength index, RSI, deep into the overbought territory. This suggests the possibility of a consolidation or correction in the next few days. So what that means is it has been going over, and the price has been going up and up and up, and people are buying, and the interest in the coin is starting to wane off a little bit. And you can see that here. This is the RSI. So you can see it's tracking. It's really low here. It's really, really high. Boom, 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 boom. People are buying like crazy. Boom, 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 right? It's down here. And up here is where we're at currently right now. And you can see it's starting to come down just a little bit. It's got that little turn down there. So you can also see here on the moving averages, the red line, and then also the blue line, it is trading above that, which means that it is still in positive hype territory. So boom, boom, boom. We saw these rocket ships up just those last couple of days. And let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here in a little bit more detail. Let me turn this off so we can see what the green is the buys. Okay, these are people that are interested in buying. And the red is sells, people that are interested in selling. So as we can see, we'll spread it out here. These are currently on the 4 hour, and we'll break it down. So the 4 hour, you can see it keeps on hitting right here. So this was what we called a resistance before, and it came back down and it hit this resistance, and boom, that's becoming kind of the resistance line there, 23,808 over the last here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days when it's been up in this realm. Okay. Now let's go to a smaller time frame. You can look on the 2 hour time frame. This is those resistance they hit with the wick there, and then it came back down. It's consolidating a little bit, shot up. Now it's consolidating in this range. And again, today even we got green candles for the day, which is really exciting. We're going to see where this thing goes. Are we going to take another skyrocket day today and all week next week? Only time will tell. Or is it going to come back down here to about 19,579, right? Because this is an area where it was a previous resistance. So this could be coming down and hitting a support level, or is this level gonna be a support level right here at 23,000? Because you can see it's a short-term support because it was originally a resistance, but it broke through, and now it's not going down below that. So we'll see what happens there with Bitcoin. Usually after the price breaks above a critical level, such as an all-time high, it turns down and then retests the breakout level. In this case, BTC USD pair may turn down from 25 to 26,000 resistance zone to retest the breakout level of $20,000 as we were going over there with the chart. So we still got tons of room though. I mean, in reality, up $2,000 more from where we're at. We're currently sitting at $23,733. If you can get another, $2,300 value out of the coin before you sell off, buy low, sell high. Now there is no more low of 10,000, but you buy now. When it reaches 25, 26, sell whatever stake you have, and then when it drops down, buy it again, or just keep holding when it dips. Buy the dip and dollar cost average your money. If the price rebounds off the support aggressively, the bulls will again try to resume uptrend. If they succeed, it will suggest $20,000 is the new floor for the pair, which is great news because we don't want it to go below there if you're a holder in Bitcoin. Contrary to this assumption, if the bears, so you got the bulls mean up, bulls. We're raging bulls going up, all right? The bears, bad news bears going into hibernation, they're going down. So if the bears sink the price below a 20-day exponential moving average, 20,356, and the 19,500 support, the pair may drop to the 50-day simple moving average, which would be 17,000. And all the way down here to this support of 17,600, because you can see that this was a support line before. It went up to this resistance, popped through, and it's up here. This is where we want it to stay, though, for all of us long-term holders. That's where we definitely want to be. as far as that goes. Although the trend is up, the 4-hour chart shows that the bulls are finding it difficult to sustain the price above 23,700. This suggests that after a recent sharp up move, the bears are attempting to stall the rally. The negative divergence on the RSI is a signal that the momentum may be wearing out. If the price dips below the 20 EMA, the pair could drop to 22,272 for support. This is an important short-term level to watch out for, because if it cracks, the short-term traders may book profits. That could quickly pull the price down to the 50 simple moving average and then $20,000. This view will be invalidated if the price surges and sustains above 24,000, such as a move will suggest that the momentum traders are in control. Now, let's talk about Ethereum, ETH. Ether is the actual coin, company Ethereum. Ether broke out of an ascending triangle pattern on December 16th, and the price rallied to 676,000 on December 17th, but the bulls could not sustain the higher levels as seen from the long wick on the daily candlestick. So if we go in here, let's go ahead and pull it up on our chart. We'll go to the daily. So as you can see here, this long wick on the daily chart here, it was powerful. It went all the way up here, and then the bulls pulled it back down. But it is coming up and it's coming down. So talking about maintaining that level. However, a positive is that the bulls have not allowed the price to drop below the immediate support of 622. The price is currently stuck between 622 and 676. If the bulls can propel the price above 676, it could start the next leg of the uptrend and could reach the pattern targeted for $763. The upsloping moving averages suggest that the bulls have the upper hand. Conversely, if the bears sink the price below the 622 ETH USD pair, Ethereum could drop to the 20-day moving average of 599. If the price rebounds off this support with strength, the bulls will try to resume the uptrend. The trend will turn in favor of the bears if the price drops below the trend line of the triangle. So let's go ahead and take a look here. All right, so this is your trend line here, as we can see going up. And this is the trend line of the ascending triangle that we were talking about. And then up here is the symmetrical triangle, which is starting to trend down. This is a little tiny triangle here, but it also forms a bullish flag. Because if you can see here, we had a bullish move and then it started consolidating. It's getting smaller and it's actually trapping the price here. So let's hope that it busts through and really makes that move up as far as that goes. And then they were talking about the moving average, the blue line here, the 20 EMA. It is currently right in here. It's tapping off the EMA, which if it continues to ride up and above that, then it's going to be bullish trend. If it breaks past down through, then we could see a bearish trend returning down to the simple moving average of 622. If not, I mean, we could see it dropping down even more to a different support as well in the 580 range, even if worse comes to worse, 540 range. The 4-hour chart shows a symmetrical triangle formation, which generally acts as a continuation pattern. If the bulls can push the price above the triangle, the pair may resume the uptrend. On the contrary, if the price dips below the triangle, a drop to 622 support is possible. If the bears sink the price below the 50 SMA, the pair may lose momentum and drop to the trend line of the triangle. Let's talk about Litecoin, LTC. Litecoin picked up momentum after breaking out of its symmetrical triangle on December 16th. The target objective of the breakout from the triangle was $119, and that was hit on December 19th. So as you can see here, we've got the price going up, coming up, right? It hit this resistance line here. You can see that's forming this resistance pattern. Over here, it's got your support line pattern. Okay, symmetrical triangle, because they're coming in together. And it was bouncing off of this trend line. It came up and it actually punctured through that trend line and continued up, which is fantastic. Now it has hit itself a stop right here, a resistance line, and we're going to see where that continues to go. It is significantly above the moving averages, which is really good news. So it may have a little bounce down, right? A little retracement. It may come back down a little bit and then shoot up again. However, the momentum is strongly in favor of the bulls. If the price does not dip below the 50 Fibonacci retracement at 101, and that was right on this blue line right here. So the 50 retracement, sorry, the green line right here, 101.18, the Fibonacci 50% level there. However, if the momentum is strong in favor of the bulls, if the price does not dip below the 50 Fibonacci retracement of 101, it will suggest that the bulls are not booking profits in a hurry. A shallow pullback will increase the possibility of a rally above 124. If that happens, Litecoin pair could possibly rally to 140. Contrary to this assumption, if the price dips below the 101, the pair could correct to the 20-day moving average of $90. A deeper correction will suggest the momentum has been weakened and may result in a range-bound action for a few days. So you can see right here, it's been bouncing off this trend line. It's been trapping price, but it broke through. So they're talking about it could come all the way back down to this resistance line. The pair is currently witnessing a correction on the 4-hour chart and may reach the 20 EMA. A strong rebound off this support will suggest the sentiment is positive and the bulls are buying on the dips. If the bulls push the price above 124, the uptrend could resume. The RSI is showing signs of negative divergence. If the price dips and sustains below the 20 EMA, it suggests that the momentum has weakened and a deeper correction may be on cards. And you can see here, this is the RSI. It was moving up, and then it started to actually have a sloping down, a downtrending RSI while the price was going up. So that is meaning that it's probably going to have a nice little pullback. We're hoping it bounces off the EMA though. ADA, USD, Cardano. Cardano has been trading inside. Cardano has been trading in the 13 to 17 cents range for the past few days. The altcoin turned down from overhead resistance on December 17th, but the bulls have not given up much ground. This shows that traders are in no hurry to book profits. So as you can see here, we have this long-term little consolidation right here for quite a while, and then boom, it finally moved up. It's coming back down, and now it's ranging in this market. It has hit this resistance line again, but it's been steady right in here. So is it going to range back down, or is it going to actually push through? Only time will tell in the next week. The rising moving averages and the RSI in the positive territory suggests the bulls have the upper hand. If the buyers can propel the price above 17 to 18 cents overhead resistance zones, ADA USD pair could rally to 22 cents and then 23 cents. So as you can see here, the RSI, it's starting to make a move up, and if it rallies up again, and that would mean that the coin itself price would rally up, busting through that line. If the price turns down from the current levels but rebounds off the 20-day EMA of 15 cents, the bulls will attempt to resume the uptrend. On the contrary, if the bears sink the price below the 20 EMA, the pair could drop to 13 cents and extend the stay inside the range. And you can see that it's on the EMA here right now. The 4-hour chart shows the price is currently consolidating in a tight range of 16 to 17. The flattening 20 EMA and RSI just above the midpoint suggests a balance between supply and demand. If the bears sink the price below 50 SMA, the pair could drop to 15 cents, and such a move will increase the possibility of the continuation of the range-bound action. On the other hand, if the pair rises above 17 cents, the bulls will try to push the price above 17 to 18 resistance zone. If they succeed, the uptrend could continue up. Binance Coin, BNB. BNB have been stuck at $25 to $32 range for the past few weeks. The bulls pushed the price above the overhead resistance on December 19th and have followed with another up day. So as you can see, it came up and hit this overhead resistance. came back down, and then boom, just recently it came up and hit that overhead resistance again. And you can see right here, it's at the resistance level. Can it push through? So Binance pair has currently reached $35 overhead resistance from where the price had reversed direction on November 25th. If the bulls can push and sustain the price above this resistance, a retest of the all-time high of $39 is possible. The 20-day EMA $30 has started to turn up, and the RSI is close to the overbought zone, which suggests that the bulls have the upper hand. If the bulls can push the price above $39.59, the uptrend could continue the next target range of $50. This bullish view will be invalidated if the price turns down from the current levels and dips back below $32. Such move will suggest a few more days of consolidation. The 4-hour chart shows that the bulls had pushed the price above the overhead resistance but could not sustain it at the higher levels. This suggests that the bears are aggressively defending the $35 level. However, the upsloping moving averages and the RSI in the overbought zone suggest advantage to the bulls. If the bulls do not allow the price to slide below 33.38, it will increase possibly to break above that 35.43 number. Conversely, if the bears sink the price below 33.38, a drop to the 20 EMA and then 32 is possible. If you've enjoyed this part of it, going over all of the analysis and everything, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Plus, if you want to learn how to read these charts, see what I'm seeing, understand the knowledge, I highly recommend you get started with Epic Trading. They are the ones that have taught me everything about trading crypto, trading Forex, trading stocks. Everything that I've known so far is from the school here. To become an Epic scholar, just reach out to me. All you have to do is go to winwithryan.com. You can sign up for our newsletter, and that will give you information also about the Epic Trading University and becoming a scholar. When you get into the program, you get the full university, which has tons and tons of curriculum, has the best trading educators out there in the market right now. Epic Trade Alerts, they'll let you know when is a good time to put in a trade, when is it a bad time to put in a trade so you don't do the wrong thing. Live trading sessions, you can watch live professional traders, 6-7 figure traders do real live trades in front of you, see why they're actually making trades, and they teach you how to make trades as well. Fundamental analysis, just like the analysis you got here, but on all of the cryptocurrencies, on all of the different foreign exchange markets as well. Market forecasts every Sunday, and also member support. So if you ever have any questions, you can reach out and they're there to help. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sign up for the newsletter, winwithryan.com. Hope you guys love it. Talk to you later.